Turn on the machine. This interface has 6 categories. The first, mobile phone. Second, iPad. The third, watch. The fourth, software. The fifth, note. The sixth, cloud update. Let's open the mobile phone category first. Then this category has 7 categories. So let's start with iPhone. Open iPhone. There are 3 categories: cover, screen, frame. We open the back cover. Select the corresponding model, 11P. Open the door. Put the phone in. Push to the left. Fasten the bracket. Be careful not to touch the camera with the sensor. Click on the black area drawing with the mouse. Turn on red light F1. Click to focus. Check the red light area. Does the red light coincide with the mobile phone? Click the Start button. Start carving. Click on the screen type. Find the corresponding model. 14 Pro Max. Click on 14 Pro Max Drawings. Open F padding. Enable tick. Fill type. Select one way. The first one. Fill spacing. 0.03. Fill angle. 45. Close page. Speed 2000. Power 100. Frequency 30. Input complete. Click Save. It shows that the save was successful. Turn on red light F1. 14 Pro Max. Put the screen in the machine. Click to focus. Start engraving. Open the marking software. Click on Text, icon of T. Use the keyboard to enter the text to be engraved. Click OK after entering. Click the fill icon. Enable tick. Fill type. Select bow. The 4 corners of the mouse can be dragged to the size. Drag to the appropriate size. Turn on red light preview. Put in what needs to be engraved. Click to focus. Put the text in the middle of the object. Start engraving. Insert USB stick. After inserting the USB stick, a window will pop up. Close it. Click Marking Software. Click Vector. Click on the USB stick. Find the corresponding vector diagram. Vector graphics in DXF or PLT format. Select the vector to engrave. Click to open. Click to fill. Enable tick. Fill type, select bow. Then close. Change speed and power. Different materials with different parameters. We change the speed to 500. Also, drag the icon. The size of the vector image can be changed. Turn on red light preview. Put in what to engrave. Click to focus. Let the engraved text be in the middle of the card. Start engraving. Insert USB stick. Close this interface. Open the USB stick software. Click on the image. Click on the USB stick. Click on the photo to engrave. Click to open. Scroll the mouse wheel to change the size of the workspace screen. Drag the mouse to change the size of the photo. Click to center. Change speed to 300. Select reverse phase. Mode selection. Turn on red light preview. Put in the item to be engraved. Click to focus. Start engraving. Click to log in. Click OK. Click Login again. Select Manager. Password 6 ones. Return to the main interface. Click to update. Click OK. Click Connect Network. Close. Click Settings. Click Refresh. Click to download. Download completed. Click back.